Did you know Android has a built-in feature that lets you follow live football matches without ever opening an app? Most people miss this, but it's the best way to keep up with the game while you are busy. I'm Michael, and in this video, I'll show you how to pin live scores in under 60 seconds. Now you can do this from the Google app or from a Google Chrome. For example, open Google Chrome, and once it's open, in the search section, you want to search for your club. So if you're a Chelsea fan, for example, you can simply search for Chelsea, and this will bring you here. All you need to do on this page is to tap on follow in this section, and anytime they are playing any game, you see it being live on your home screen as well as even your lock screen. If you choose to use the Google application, you can go to Google app, open the app, and do the same. You see the option to follow in this section. At any point you wish to unfollow, tap on following in this section. You'll see unfollow. And if you want to see any club you are currently following, you can tap on manage all in this section and then tap on following. You see all the clubs you are currently following, and you'll be able to unfollow in this page. So I hope this helped you out if you're a football lover. Let me know in the comment section, and then don't forget to like this video as well as share it to other people who might need this.